Grammar quiz. Auxiliary or helping verbs. Fill in the blanks using the correct helping verb. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. J blank crashed his car into a windmill. Is it A, is, B, was, C, has, or D, did? The correct answer is C, has. J has crashed his car into a windmill. Ranger Richard, blank, holding a penguin. Is it A, am, B, is, C, does, or D, did? The correct answer is B, is. Ranger Richard is holding a penguin. Blank, you like my new hoodie? Is it A, do, B, does, C, have, or D, is? The correct answer is A, do. Do you like my new hoodie? Robin, blank, chased by the pony. Is it A, were, B, was, C, has, or D, had? The correct answer is B, was. Robin was chased by the pony. The police, blank, arrived before the thief escaped with the money. Is it A, is, B, does, C, has, or D, had? The correct answer is D, had. The police had arrived before the thief escaped with the money. And finally, baby Marco, blank, sleep very well last night. Is it A, hadn't, B, didn't, C, hasn't, or D, doesn't? The correct answer is B, didn't. Baby Marco didn't sleep very well last night. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.